In this video I will be replacing the bulbs on my headlamps on a 2017 Nissan Sentra. This will work for almost any car, but I will be focusing today on a Nissan Sentra. It is very important that you change both bulbs whenever one goes out. You should replace them at the same time. These are the bulbs that I'm going to be using today. They are halogen and they are superior quality over the factory ones. They provide a more wider light. This is going to be very easy. You don't need any tools. It is very important that you do not touch the bulbs with your fingers. This is because the oil in your finger may wear the bulbs faster, and it is also important that you use bulb grease. You apply this in the terminals. To remove the high beams, these are usually on the center, by closer to the grill of the car. You just pull counterclockwise and they'll come out. Same thing for the passenger side. You just pull counterclockwise and the bulb will come out. These are the easiest ones to remove. To remove the low beams, which I will be focusing today on them, they are closer to the fender, to the outer side of the car. You just remove the cover and you will have access to the bulb. For the driver's side, space is very limited. You would need smaller hands to reach, but I found out that if you remove the air filter, you will be able to reach the bulb a lot better. To remove the filter, air filter duct or vent, whatever, you don't need any tools. It is very easy. You just pull it out straight. And now you can remove the little cover and get to the bulb. Like I said, it is better if you use gloves so that you don't touch the bulbs with your fingers. And this is the time where you may want to prepare the bulbs by applying a little bit of bulb grease, and this is just to fight against humidity and rust and stuff like that. You should apply it to both bulbs. To connect the bulb, it's very easy. You just have to align the little tip with the cable terminal. You just push it in place until it clicks, until it makes a clicking sound. You can see through the headlamp to see if the bulb is coming in straight and if it's turning. And this is what it looks like. It is a much wider light over the factory one. The factory headlamps are amber and they have a more yellow look to them. These are the factory ones. And the main difference is going to be at night. Again, this is the new bulb. It has a much wider look to it. And this is the factory one, which looks a little bit more yellow. And the bulb on the left is the bulb that went out, and like I said, you should replace both bulbs at the same time. To insert the second bulb, the one on the passenger side, it is very easy. You just click it in place. And like I said, you can see through the headlamp to see if the bulb is coming in straight and if it's turning. After you're finished, you just put the cover back in place. You turn clockwise to lock it in place, and same thing goes for the driver's side. You put the little cover, turn clockwise, and then you can put the air filter pipe back in place. It is very easy. You just push it in place. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, the main difference is going to be at night. And just for comparison, the truck on the rear has factory head bulbs, and they look yellow and amber, and the one on the car are the ones I just installed, which have a more wider look. Alright, this is everything. I hope you find this very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching.